Hello, I'm Roy Dudley. I'm the Art and Arkansas Items Appraisers for Arkansas Treasures. And today we're going to talk a little bit about silver and silver plate and their care. They can last generations, and they should last generations, but you have to have proper care. And I'm going to talk about a few of the naughty things I've found that people do as I clean out their houses for estate sales. There's a myth going around that if you wrap your silver in saran wrap, it will not tarnish. It won't tarnish. I'm going to give them that. But moisture and humidity will seep under that plastic and it will actually etch into your silver plate or sterling. If it's silver plate, that piece may be ruined unless it's replated. With sterling, you can most likely polish it out, but it's take a lot of elbow grease and maybe even an automotive type of buffer. So don't do that. The other thing that people do is you use your silver, and you should use your silver as often as you can. It's made to be used, it's a beautiful thing to have, is clean your silver after each use. This is an example. This piece has little black dots, and in the industry, we will call this a sick piece of silver because it's got spots. Now, with a piece of silver plate, once again, we're having to replate. With a piece of sterling, it can be buffed out, but that could all be prevented if you just wash your piece with gentle soap and warm water after you use. Now, as you're storing your silver, you can get silver cloth. It's available online. You can get by the yard, or you can get pouches that are specifically made. Those are available online. Those are great to prevent tarnishing, scratching. If you don't want to invest in silver cloth, everybody has an old clean cotton sheet. It needs to be 100% cotton so it's breathable, or old white t-shirts that are 100% cotton. Wrap your silver in that. If you do that, you should have your silver lasting for generations to be passed down as an heirloom.